This 2021 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH2 BDRM Quad Slide, Mid-Bunk Office is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 9, auxiliary battery, TV, Skylight, air conditioning, slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH2 BDRM Quad Slide, Mid-Bunk Office is 14,255 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.